You're not behind because you're not working hard enough. You're behind because you never get an hour to just think. Here's the trap. The day fills up with fires and got a sec, and the big moves that would actually change your business keep getting pushed to someday, and someday never shows up on the calendar. Okay, this next number stopped me cold when I first read it. Harvard Business Review found that 96% of leaders said they don't have enough time for strategic thinking. 96%. That's almost all of us. So if you never get to lift your head up, you're not broken, you're normal. Normal just isn't winning. Gretzky said, don't skate to where the puck is, skate to where it's going. You can't do that if your eyes never leave your feet. When I was in the Air Force, we called the daily chaos the tyranny of the immediate. And if you let it, it eats up every minute you've got. Today, I'm going to give you 5 tactics to make time to think ahead, plus a bonus tactic. Let's get into it. Tactic number 1 is to book a weekly strategy hour. 1 hour, same time each week, phone in the other room. And remember our rule. If it's on the calendar, we can only move it. We can't delete it unless it's a really true emergency. Protect it like a customer meeting. So here's a quick gut check. When did you last get 1 full uninterrupted hour just to think about where this is all going? If you can't remember, that's why you feel stuck. So sit with that for a second. Tactic number 2 is a 12-month question. In that hour, ask one thing. What has to be true 12 months from now? Then work backward. If you need 40 new clients this year, that's about 3 a month. Now you know what this week has to produce. Tactic number 3 is 1 in, 1 out. Here's the hard truth. You don't have a time problem. You have a subtraction problem. Every time you say yes to something new, you got to name the thing you're going to stop doing. New initiative in, 1 old meeting out. If this is hitting home for you, do me a favor. Hit subscribe so that the next leader like you finds this too. Takes 1 second. Okay, now back to it. Tactic number 4 is the 10-10-10 filter. Before a big call, ask, will this matter in 10 days, 10 months, 10 years? That emergency in your inbox, if it won't matter in 10 months, it doesn't get your best hour today. Tactic number 5 is the 1-sentence bet. Thinking without a decision is just daydreaming. End every strategy hour with 1 sentence. We believe if we do X, then Y happens by this date. Like if we niche to one industry by October, we'll close 20 more deals. Now it's measurable, not a vibe. Okay, here's your bonus tactic. The pre-mortem. Before you commit, imagine it's a year later and the bet failed. Ask, what went wrong? Your gut hands you the top 3 risks in about 2 minutes. Now you plan around them before they even happen. Okay, here's a quick recap for you. Book the strategy hour and guard it. No canceling, only moving. Ask what's true in 12 months and work backward. 1 in, 1 out. Run big calls through 10-10-10. End with a 1-sentence bet. And run a quick pre-mortem so you skate to where the puck is going. All right, that's all for this week. Tell me in the comments, what's the 1 hour you're going to protect this week? If this helped, like it, share it with a leader who's drowning in the day-to-day, and subscribe so you never miss one of our Leadership TTP videos. And when you're ready to get out of firefighting mode for good, leave a comment, slide into my DMs, I do not mind, or email me at info@LeDucLeadership.com, and check out all of the programs, both in-person coaching and online things that we have that we can use to help you there. So go out there, do great things today. Onward and upward.